So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to bold the font inside of a chart here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, go to the top, add a chart to your presentation. So for this demonstration, I will just add a chart right here. Now, if you want to bold the text, so you wanted this to all be bolded, so I want all of the axis right here to be bolded, or all of this axis to be bolded, it works the exact same way. I'll just press on this right here. I'm going to go ahead and go to where it says font right here, make sure this is opened up, and make sure that bold is selected. So as you can tell, bold's on, bold's off. You can do the same thing down here. Bolds on, bolds off. So very basic, very straightforward, but that is how to bold text inside of a chart on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.